Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, on an Epson Workforce WF-3640. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the home screen of the printer using the touchscreen you can see here. So from here, we're going to press this button in the bottom right hand side to go into setup. And then we're going to go into maintenance, which is the second option down. And from here, we've got print head nozzle check. Press to go into that. And assuming you've got paper in there, we just press the color start button. Now this will take your printer a minute or so. And what you'll end up with is a nozzle check that hopefully looks better than mine. Now, it's looking pretty good for the cyan, magenta and yellow, with the exception of those little gaps there. But you should have the same crisp pattern running along all of these different boxes. Obviously you've got a pair of each for your blacks, cyan, magenta, yellow. Obviously we have quite a severe blockage on the black there, which we're hopefully going to resolve with some cleaning cycles. See, there's all these different gaps, so text would be looking awful from this machine right now. But back at the screen, your printer's preemptively asking if you want to clean the print head, which I'd recommend as a next step if your print head's looking anything like mine. If you've got a nice clean looking test page, you can press done. I'm going to go into here, get the cleaning cycle done. Now cleaning cycles force fresh ink through the printer's print head, hopefully dislodging any dried or congealed ink that will be causing you print quality issues. And from here you can just do test pages and nozzle checks until you see the improvement in print quality that you desire. Please do leave me a like if this video has been useful for you. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.